Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'll just lather up a little bit. I've got an interesting Wilkinson Empire set to test today. It's a 7-day set. Made by Wilkinson Sword between 1935 and 1952. The set's complete. I don't think it's been used. It's in unused condition. I've tested Mondays, Tuesdays and Wednesdays, so now we're going to do Thursday, Friday for the video. This is the original package. The box is still intact as well. The original box is a bit tatty. And this is you can see the Wilkinson Sword address. So, just moving on, this is the case, very nice chrome plated case. And inside, this is like a art deco sort of design. And then you can see the interior of the box is quite clean. It's all been refurbished. You can see the days of the week on the spine of each razor. And in here is the leather strap. So everything's complete. So I'll just take out the razor and explain how this works. And we're going to be, for the video today, you just open that top there, and which is Friday and Thursday. So these two blades we're going to shave test today. Your strap is neatly folded up into there and provides an armrest for the blade. The full instructions are here on how to use it and how to strap it. So I'll just put that away now for now. This looks quite a complex bit of kit, but it's actually quite simple. So I'll explain how to load the blade onto the pivot here. As you can see, there's a pivot, a nut there. You can see it in the centre there. And what you do is you get your blade. There's your blade. They all come out. You can see there's two sort of wings there. The blade actually slides out for cleaning and honing, and there's the part that fits onto the razor, that hole there. So for the video, just show you you put it on at 90 degrees to the bar, and then there's two spring loaded ball bearings which when you twist they lock into place. This is now locked into place. And then this button here, you push this forward, that releases this mechanism here, and then the blade locks into place here and here. So it's all locked into position there. And then you just tighten the base of the handle, you turn it a couple of turns clockwise, and it secures the blade holder. You can see it just moving slightly. There we go. So this is ready to shave. This little button here, by the way, not only does it open the blade up, it rotates. So if you turn it 2 turns to the right, that's clockwise fashion, you can set it onto a gentle shave. And if you turn it 2 turns to the left, anti-clockwise, it gives you a more aggressive shave setting. So that's good to go. So I'll just refresh this, the lather. You can just see here that line where I've shave tested the other razors, blades. Oh, this roller here, you can see a roller. That guides, that rolls against your skin to guide the blade. Another thing that's beneficial with this blade is because of the size of it, it looks a bit cumbersome, but it's actually quite delicate. It weighs 86 grams. With the blade in that is. And 78 grams without the blade. The blades are actually hollow ground, just like a standard straight razor. So they're not disposable. When they go a little bit dull, you simply just hone them as you would any other straight razor. But they're in fantastic condition. I say I don't think they've been used. They still have the original grease from the manufacturer on the blade. And all I've done really before I started to, as part of the restoration, I cleaned all the grease off the blades. Took the blade out of the sleeve and honed them just on a Thuringian stone, a finishing stone, and that's all it needed, and strap it afterwards. So I'm going to change this blade now over to the Friday's blade. That's a shave test all over Thursdays. So as you can see, if you can see just there, I'm just going to, there you are, just going to undo it and then press in the button and rotate it. So you rotate it like that, and then get hold of the blade, twist it 90 degrees. It's a bit stiff, and then lift it off the peg, off the mount. There we go. And in the same way, we just rotate the axle there a little bit. There we go. So fit it onto the peg like that, then twist, and it locks very firmly into place there. Push that in. You can see the blade flapping about. You just click it into there, let go, and your blade is firmly locked. Twist the handle, and there we are, it's all locked into position. Once you've got the hang of things, it's like anything else, you know, once you've got the hang of things, it's quite simple to do. It's a similar contraption to the Rolls razor. But the beauty of this particular razor is that you've got 7 blades, one for each day. And you've got adjustable settings. And as you can see, it's making light work of a 4-day growth. I've been after one of these 7-day sets for some time now. Quite intriguing. But you usually find them on eBay in pretty manky condition. You don't find them like this. I got this from an auction house in England. They were described as unused condition. So I just went for it. If they don't sell, I'll just keep them. There we have it. Chef test over with. So if you fancy putting a little bit of nostalgia back into your shaving routine, rotation, this is a Wilkinson Sword Empire 7-day set in beautiful condition. Okay, thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch up with you probably the weekend or next week. Thanks very much. Bye for now.